this is Missy with Cady Realty. Welcome to 4251 Irvington Avenue. This home is located in the Riverside, Avondale area. Absolutely amazing home. Come on inside. About this house is that it is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, but it has bonus rooms. A butler's kitchen, an office, a kid's bonus bathroom, bedroom area upstairs, and a pool. A pool in Riverside, Avondale. How can you go wrong? Work in this community, and what I love is the vibe. Last night I took my bike and went down to the shops of Avondale, had a glass of wine, then I rode my bike over to the river to watch the sunset, and this morning I just stopped at Social House Coffee. Has the best cold brew in Jacksonville. Give us a call, you will love this.